Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will see how you can add custom fonts to your Framer design. Watch till the end, I have some free exciting resources for you. Alright, so we are here on our Framer canvas. To add a font, first of all we will click our text and we will head over to the right hand side panel where you can see the section of text, and in that we will just head over to font. On the font we can see we have web and custom sections laid out. On the website you can see the fonts that are already there available for you all to work with, and the custom fonts are one that you can upload from your device. So if you want to upload the font from a device, you can just head over to this upload button. You can just select it and the window will be opened, and here you can just select whatever font you want to upload. I have already uploaded this font, so if you want you can just select all the font and you can click on this open button, and once it is done the fonts will be appeared here and you can just use these fonts similar way you were using the other fonts. So this is the way you can upload fonts on your Framer canvas. Well, speaking of fonts, these are the 3 websites that you should refer for getting free fonts that you can use on your upcoming projects. Well, on number 1 we have Google Fonts, which is most recommended resource with over 1500 font families available for your next project. Number 2 we have FontShare, which is highly recommended for its clean and modern looking fonts. You can just check it out and download any of the font. On number 3 we have the Font Faces website, which is also a recommended platform for downloading free modern looking fonts, and not just modern looking, but you can see you have a variety of sans serif, serif, monoface, display, etc. font variation available. So these are the 3 websites that I would recommend for you all to visit and download free fonts for your next project. Okay, so this was it from my side from this video. I will see you next time with some more amazing Framer related, UI UX design related, web design related, simple and complex concepts that will be made in simple format, because web designing is simple, so let's keep it simple. Goodbye.